So the next one, we will speed up the performances, with the next one being Satyabhamane. This is a Kuchipudi performance. Like I said, this comes from the state of Andhra Pradesh. And this comes from a city, this Kuchipudi, the dance form, basically comes from a village called as Krishna. So the whole dance form revolves around Krishna and its pastimes. Now this particular Satyabhamane is about the particular queen, Satyabhama. Now every queen had a different rasa. And I'm sure many of us amongst who are wives also have these rasas in us too. But Satyabhama was very bright. She said, he might have lots of queens, he might have lots of girlfriends. Do you know what? I'm the best. You know the way he looks at me? That's the best. You know the way when he comes and walks towards me? That's the best. Satyabhamane had a different rule over Krishna. And can you imagine the Lord of Love being ruled by someone? So on stage, performed by the seniors, we have Bhamane, Satyabhamane.
Bye. ಮೂತೋ ಚಿನ್ನದನ ರಾಮರು ಗೋಪಾಲ ದೇವುನಿ ಪ್ರೇಮನೂತೋ ಚಿನ್ನದನ ರಾಮರು ಗೋಪಾಲ ದೇವುನಿ ರಾಮರು ಗೋಪಾಲ ದೇವುನಿ ರಾಮರು ಗೋಪಾಲ ದೇವುನಿ ಪ್ರೇಮನೂತೋ ಚಿನ್ನದನ ರಾಮನೇ ಸತ್ಯಭಾಮನೇ
ತಕದಿನ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕಜಂ ತಗಣಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣತ್ತುಂ ತಕ್ಕಿಟ ತಕಜಂ ತಗಣಂ ತದ್ದಿಂಗೆಣ್ಣತ್ತುಂ ದೀಂ ತಕಿಟ ದತ್ತುಂ ಕಿಡತಕದರ ಗಿಡದಂ ತದೀಂ ತಕಿಟ ದತ್ತುಂ ಕಿಡತಕದರ ಗಿಡದಂ ದಿತ್ತಿನ ಗಿಡತಕ ತಾಕಿಟ ಜಂತರಿ ದಿತ್ತಾಕಿಟ ಜಂತರಿ ತತ್ತಿತ್ತಾಕಿಟ ಜಂತರಿ ತತ ತದಿಗೆಣ್ಣತ ತಾಕಿಟ ಜಂತರಿ ದಿತ್ತಾಕಿಟ ಜಂತರಿ ತದ್ದಿತ್ತಾಕಿಟ ಜಂತರಿ ತತ ತದಿಗೆಣ್ಣತ ತಾಕಿಟ ಜಂತರಿ ದಿತ್ತಾಕಿಟ ಜಂತರಿ ರದ್ದಿತ್ತಾಕಿಟ ಜಂತರಿ ತತ ತದಿಗೆಣ್ಣತ
ಇಂತಿನೇ ಚಾಮಲ್ತಿನೇ ಇಂತಿನೇ ಚಾಮಲ್ತಿನೇ ಮರುದಂತಿನೇ ವಿರಿವಲ್ತಿನೇ ಇಂತಿನೇ ಚಾಮಲ್ತಿನೇ ಮರುದಲ್ತಿನೇ 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 ವಿರಿವಲ್ತಿನೇ ಜಾನತನమున సతులలో నెరజానలై వెలిగేటిదన జానతనమున సతులలో నెరజానలై వెలిగేటిదన జానతనమున సతులలో నెరజానలై నెరజానలై వెలిగేటిదన భామనే సత్యభామనే ఒయ్యారి మూదుల ఒయ్యారి మూదుల ఒయ్యారి సత్యభామనే